Welcome once again. In last video from the diagrammatic presentation of data, we have discussed how to draw one dimensional diagram is over there. We have discussed 5 or 6 type of the one dimensional diagram in that. In today video also we will discuss the one dimensional diagram. The very first diagram whichever we are taking in this video, that is called profit and loss diagram. Here we are giving the data in a company. In 2021 to 22, the wage was 100 rupees, other cost was 50 rupees, and polishing expenditure is 10 rupees. So the total expenditure was 160, and total selling price was 200. So the profit is 10. So I am writing here sell 200, profit is 40. Okay. Now in this, profit is 0 and sale is 250. Okay. In this also I am shifting this, the sale, this is minus 6 and this is 300. Okay. Firstly, so in first year there is a profit of 40 rupees. This is a profit and loss diagram. That is also a one dimensional diagram is over there. In 2021 to 22 to 23, the costing of the wage is 150, the other cost is 50, and polishing expenditure is 50. So total expenditure is 50 and total sale is also 250 and 250. So profit is 0. In 2023-24, the wage cost is 210, 75 is the other cost, and polishing cost is also 75. So total cost is 360, but selling price is 300. So there is a loss of 60 rupees. So the very first we will change it the percentage. So very first percentage 100, 200 is the total value, 100 divided by this, first one, the total value is 200. So first we will get the percentage with the 200. So 100 divided by 200, that is 50. 50 divided by 200, that is 25. 10 divided by 200, 10 divided by 2, 5%. And profit 40 divided by 20%. So in this first year, wage rate 50% selling price are related to the weight, 25% of the selling price related to other cost, and polishing that 50 and this 20. So cumulative percentage 50, 75, 80, 100. So cumulative percentage is 100. What we have done, 100 divided by 200 multiplied by 100, that is 50%. Again 50 divided by 200 multiplied by 100, that is 25%. Like this we will get the percentage. To draw the diagram, the very first, from the selling price we are getting the percentage. After getting the percentage, we are having the cumulative percentage, that 50, 50 plus 25 is 75, 75 plus 5 is 80, 80 plus 20 is 100. Again in this also, 150 divided by 250 multiplied by 100, 10 to 10 cancel, 2 and 5, 3 just 30%. 150, againly 150 divided by 25 multiplied by 10, that is 60. Sorry, first one is 60%, second one is 20%, third one is 20%, and this is 0%. So cumulative is 60, 80, 100, againly 100, that is. So in 2022-23, what we have done, 150 divided by 250 multiplied by 100. So that is 30 multiplied by 2, that is 60%. Next one, 50 multiplied 250 multiplied by 100. This is 5 times, so 20%. Similarly this. And last one, the very first we will change it in percentage. So what, 210 divided by 300 multiplied by 100, that is 70%. 75 divided by 300 multiplied by 100, 75 for 25%. This is also 25%. 60 divided by 300 multiplied by 100, that is minus 20%. So cumulative percentage here cumulative percentage will be cumulative percentage 70, 95, 120 minus 20, so 100 is over there. So this is profit and loss diagram we are to draw. So we will now draw the profit and loss diagram. Here we are taking the as a profit, that is 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90% and 100%. Minus 20 minus 10 or minus 20. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Minus 10 and minus 2. In first 100% is over there, 2021 and 22. So we will draw this 100%. In this also there is 100%. In this 120% is over there. So 100 is positive and 20 is negative. So this is already we have done 2021 to 22, 2022 to 23 and 2023 to 24. This data already we have mentioned. Okay. Firstly we have mentioned the old data. Now first one 50%. Very first we will see the profit that is 20%. So firstly I am taking that profit, that is 20%. This is profit. Okay. Or we may be having the profit in upper side also, no problem at all. We are having wage, others, polishing, profit. Okay. That may be also having no problem at all. Now polishing is 5%. So 22 to 25 polishing is over there. That is polishing. 25%. 5, 10, 25%. And this is wage. So first one 50% is wage. 100 to 50, that is wage. Then 50 to 75, that is called other cost. And then this is polishing charge and this is profit. In this, profit is 0. So very first we will having wage, that is 60. 100 to 40, that is 60. That is wage. Then 80, it means 20. And last one is this polishing. So there is no profit, no loss. Here there is no profit. So here for 20% profit is over there. Here no profit is over there. Last one, the wage is 70%. So 1 to 30% there is a wage. 70, then 25%. So very first the 70% is over there. So we have to draw first one, that is 120% is over there, minus 20%. So 70, 95 and 120. And 2% is loss. So first one 75, second cut will be 20 and 20, that is 95. And third cut also 25 and this third cut here. So there will be first one is wage. Second one related to 25%, that is other cost. So this is other cost. and last one is related to polishing. So remaining, this is polishing. This is polishing part. So there may be, this is the polishing part, this all may be polishing part. But as far as the profit is concerned, there is a minus 25%, 20% profit. So we will say it's a loss. It's loss. Minus 20% loss. And this is polishing, 25%. So with the help of this is also a one dimensional diagram. With the help of this, we can show profit and loss with the same diagram, that also dependent on only one dimension. So this will be also included in one dimension diagram. Now we are having another another one dimensional diagram. It's very important, very easy to draw, no problem at all. Firstly, we have changed this into percentage, and easily we have calculate one dimensional diagram. The next type of the one dimensional diagram, this is called two directional bar diagram. Other diagram of one dimensional, two dimensional. Two direction diagram. Suppose we are giving net profit, expenditure and gross profit. Net profit, expenditure, gross profit. This data is given for 2020 to 21, 2021 to 22, 2022 to 23, 2023 to 24, and last one 2024 to 25. 55453. 55453. Expenditure 35524. 35524. So this is 8, this is 10, this is 9, this is 7, and this is 7. We are to show the two dimensional diagram. Okay. Expenditure, we are to show two dimensional diagram. So here three things we will show with the diagram. Here I am having 0. There is two dimensional diagram. Here +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now 5 is net profit. In upper side we are having net profit. Lower side we are having expenditure. So net profit is 5. Expenditure is 3. And total is 8. So total is 8. This is 3. This is 5. So this may be having expenditure and net profit 2021 to 22. Next one 5 and 5. So here is 5. In this side also 5. So this is 222 to 23. 4 and 5. So this side is 4. This side is 5. So there will be profit having. So this may be having 2023 to 24. Expenditure is 5 and net profit is 4. Next one 5 and 2. So this will be 5 and this will be 2. 2024 to 2023 2023 to 24, that is 20 to 21, sorry, 20 to 21, and this is 21 to 22, 22 to 23, 23 to 24. Like this you can draw other also. So this is called two direction diagram. This diagram show three items. First one, if you want net profit, in this year net profit is this, expenditure is this, and total gross profit is 8. This year net profit is 5, expenditure is 5, so gross profit is 10. This year net profit is 4, expenditure is 5, so total gross profit is 9. Like in this same diagram we are showing the three items, that is called two direction diagram is over there. This is also a one dimensional diagram. So if such kind of the data is over there, you can easily having the one dimensional diagram. Two more diagram we have to discuss for the one dimensional diagram. First one is called, it's very important. One more diagram I am going to discuss. That is called deviation bars. Deviation bar. This is also a diagram for showing profit and loss. So income or expenditure is shown. Income and expenditure shown. A, B, C, D, E. Income, expenditure, profit. Income is 22, 24, 19. 22, 24, 19. 10 and 15. Expenditure is 18, 22. 18, 12, 18. So here the profit of 4, here the profit is 2, here the profit is 1, here the loss is 2, here the loss is 3. So this diagram, we have to show the profit and loss of a company or having various company. And this type of the diagram is called deviation diagram. We have to show only the profit and loss. So here we are having origin. Suppose this is our origin. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here suppose that this is 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Here maybe this is 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So in 20 there is a profit of 4. In 21 the profit is 2. In profit 1 in 22. Loss of 2 and loss of 3. So this is called deviation bar diagram. We may be having this upper side, this lower side, no problem at all. So if we are showing profit and loss in a same diagram, here the loss is showing, here the profit is showing. In this side we will write profit and this side we are saying the loss. So such kind of the diagram also you can having. And last one diagram of the one dimension which I would like to show you, that is called pyramid diagram. So many times I have seen examination also the so generally showing the population data pyramid diagram is to be used. So age of population, male and female. Age we are having 70 and above. 60 to 70, 50 to 60, 40 to 50, 30 to 40, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 10 to 20, 0 to 10 population. And data of male and female is given. We have to draw the pyramid diagram for that. So I am writing 10, 15, 30, 40, 50, 55, 70, 80. This is 8, 10, 25, 35, 40, 50, 60, 75. So male and female of the data for a particular region is given. 70 and above, 10 lakhs male, 8 lakhs female. 60 to 70, 15 lakhs male, 10 lakhs female, 13 lakhs female. 50 to 60 age, 30 lakhs male and 25 lakhs female is over there. 40 to 50, 40 lakhs male is over there, 35 female is over there. 30 to 40, 50 is male and 40 is female. And last one, due to the restrictions of government, now the female is high, ratio of the female is high now because of prohibition on the taking the sonography or etc. So for this, we will draw, we will having origin here. Here we are taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 or 100. First one, age group is 0 to 10. Here we are taking male. Here we are taking female. So first one, female is 85. Male is 80. Then male is 70. Female is 60. This is 2000, 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Next 55 is male. 55 is male. 50 is female. 20 to 30 age group. 50 and 40. Female is 40. Male is 50. 30 to 40 group. 40 and 35. So this is 35 and this is 40. That is 40 to 50 group. 30 and 25. So this is 25 and this is 30. That is 50 to 60 group. 15 and 13. So female is 13. Male is 15. 60 to 70 group. And last one 10 and 8. So this is 8 and this is 10. 70 and above. So this is like a pyramid. So this diagram is called population pyramid diagram is over there. So these type are all are the one dimensional diagram which have already discussed. In first video we have discussed some type of the one dimensional diagram. In this video also we have discussed the 4 type of the one dimensional diagram. So I think this both video will be beneficial for you to learn how to draw the one dimensional diagram. In our next video we will having a knowledge of 2 dimensional diagram. Thank you very much.